Hi everyone! Today we are going to show you guys how to install the acrylic case for this Raspberry Pi 3 Model B. According to our test, when Raspberry Pi 3 is working, it can be really hot, so it's essential for you to get a cooling case. And here is one acrylic case we are sitting right now, and it's really sitting hot right now. But some people report to that they don't know how to install it, so we are making this video to show you guys. And this is the package you are gonna get, and this is what's inside it. So let's open it and see what's inside. Alright. So as you can see, we have got a fan case, some screws, all the accessories here, and two acrylic boards here. So this is pretty much all you need here, and I'm gonna show you more details. Alright, let's just open them to get it started. Alright, here is the fan case. Alright, here's everything you need, and we're gonna show you more details of what's inside here. Alright, we have took everything out, and here you are. Let's see the details. Here are it's all in full actually, but except the screw model 2.5, we have given one more as a spare just in case. And here are all the screws and a screwdriver, mini screwdriver for you to work it. So this is everything you need to install this case. Alright, so let's get started. To demonstrate how to install this, you need a Raspberry Pi 3 Model B. Here is a board for you guys. And step 1, we have to install those screws onto this Raspberry Pi, and it's a tricky part actually. For some items we didn't put those 4 inside the package because when you install it, it's quite tricky, so some people may not know how to do it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install this. You have to be careful, so you have to put those hands firmly here, and when you fixate this part, then get this part to do it. We have installed all the 4 screws firmly actually. I'm just going to show you guys how it looks here. Okay. So let's put this one aside, and step 2 is to stabilize, install this part. And some people may realize that we have paper on the acrylic case, and some people didn't peel it off, so it may not look great. So you actually have to peel it off. So it's very simple actually. You start with one corner, and it is. Right, and this part too. So I'm just gonna, especially when you have, it's better when you have some fingernails to do this part. But you can choose not to peel it off if you are fine with that look, actually. Right. Here we are. A very neat look, right? It's quite good looking. And I want to remind you guys to notice the position when you install this part. Alright, here is a mental part. This is to prevent things falling off into your Raspberry Pi. And here we are. Install the cooling fan actually. So notice the position here. The line have to be close to this GPIO slot. Please do notice here. And this middle part is to prevent things falling into your Raspberry Pi. And like this. So we use this slot to stabilize here. Just take it slow, alright? Finish this part, alright? So here is what it looks like, alright? So step 3 is to put this Raspberry Pi board on the Acrylic board. Please notice that this is the TF slot and this position has to be here. So, alright, just gonna show you guys. Then we use this small 2.5 screws to install it. Right, so we have finished this part, and it's quite easy. Alright, so we have finished this part. So next step, step 4, is to put those 4 bolts on that part here. I think it's here. We use this part, alright, so I'm going to show you guys this is how it's done. So, so it's done, alright? So step 5 is to connect the wires to GPIO pins, and notice this red one, okay? We have to connect this red wire to GPIO number 2, alright? And the black one next to it, GPIO 3. Cups. And it's done. So it's quite simple, right? Not to complete. I'm sure it's a piece of cake for some people, but if you do not know how to do it, you just can follow our videos, and I'm sure you can install it successfully. So, voila! Nice, right? It's really such a nice piece of work. Alright, I wish you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye.